All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Friday morning, and it's finally going to be another knife review. I know I said I was going to try to do one of these once a month, and I just have not been able to do that. To be honest with you guys, I haven't been buying as many knives as I usually do. I've been buying a lot more watches, and that's why we have so many watch videos. But this knife came in yesterday to me from this guy right here, Neil Rogers at Heart of Texas Armory. I'm going to leave a link down below where you guys can get to this website. Neil Rogers has a YouTube channel. He's a watch guy like us, but he also owns and runs Heart of Texas Armory. And really cool channel. I'm going to leave a link to his channel down below, but he got this knife out to me and I'm super excited about it. He sells knives and all kinds of cool tactical things. So Spyderco, really cool company. They've been around for a number of years. I was lucky enough back in 2015 to actually get to go to the Spyderco factory in Golden, Colorado. Looked around the place. Really cool company. As a matter of fact, in 2001, when 9/11 happened, they donated hundreds of rescue knives to the people responding. And actually, because of that, in their factory there in Golden, Colorado, they actually have some of the steel from the Twin Towers. So it's very impressive. So this today, guys, we're taking a look at the Spyderco Ambitious. Reference number on this is the C148GP. Really cool little knife from Spyderco. You always know a Spyderco knife because they're the first company that ever did it. I think they're still the only company that ever does the one-hole opening system like this, that you use that to open the knife. I've always loved that opening system. It's super useful, works really good as long as I don't cut my finger here on video, right? But this one's brand new, so it's a little bit stiff, but easy one-handed opening knife. The length on the blade on this knife is 2¼ inches on this knife. You got an overall length on the knife of 5.8 inches or 148 millimeters. Closed length on the knife, go ahead and close it up here, comes in at a clean 3.6 inches, and it comes in at a weight of 3 ounces. You have G10 scales on this knife. Very nice. The steel on the blade is, would be considered kind of budgetary Chinese steel, but it's a good steel, very comparable to AUS 8 Japanese steel. And this is actually 8CR13MOV stainless steel. It is a Chinese stainless steel, but very good. Holds an edge real good, good at cutting soft material, and also easy to sharpen, which makes a knife really kind of everything you want. You have full-length liners. The metal liners come all the way around. You guys can see all the way through the knife, which is very important, especially because you're using these thinner G10 scales. They're really looking out for you there. Fully lined on the lanyard hole, which is also a nice bonus here, instead of just having it drilled through the G10 material there. You have an ambidextrous pocket clip here, so you can flip it over. You can carry this knife tip up or tip down if you want. Stainless steel version. I think they make a blacked out model. I'm not sure if they make this with any of the serrations on the blade, but really a cool, handy little pocket knife that you guys can check out. He has them over there at the website. I'm not exactly sure on the price, but I'll leave a link down below where you can check them out. Very cool knife. Like I said, I kind of wanted to really get this thing on the channel as quickly as possible because I want to get it in my pocket and start using it. Unfortunately, about a month ago, I was working and had on a new pair of pants that were kind of thin in the pocket, and unfortunately, one of my favorite knives, I've had it for probably 6-7 years, slipped out of my pocket hiking through some brush, and I lost it. And so this is going to be my new work partner. Really cool looking knife. Thanks, Neil, for getting this out to the channel. I'm super excited about it. You know, knives are one of those things that I think if you're a guy, you just always feel like you got to have a pocket knife on you. They're just super handy. As a matter of fact, I feel pretty much, it sounds silly, but I feel naked if I leave the house without a pocket knife. I'll all of a sudden panic and be like, oh my gosh, I don't have a pocket knife on me. And it's not as a weapon. It's just a useful tool. I use them constantly for doing all kinds of things, working and whatnot. So I always like to have a knife in my pocket. So very cool knife. That is the Spyderco Ambitious, and I got this one from Heart of Texas Armory. Guys, go over there, check out Neil. He's a really cool guy, and his YouTube channel is absolutely awesome. Heart of Texas Armory always gets it done. So there's the knife in the palm of my hand. That's what I kind of like about it. It's a nice compact blade. Gets the job done, and really, really cool. So full-length liners on there with the Walker-style liner lock. Just a knife, kind of an all-around good knife. I love G10 scales also, keeping the knife super comfortable. So, all right, guys, that's been a quick and dirty review of the Spyderco Ambitious C148GP model. I'll leave a link down below where you guys can find one of these knives if you're interested. So, all right, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom if you like the video, and if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.